The last football match. In the lively town of Ajat, two best friends, Destiny and David, loved football more than anything else. Ever since they were little boys, they dreamed of winning the national school's football championship. Years later, their school reached the final match. It was called the last football match because the winning team would lift the championship trophy, and many of the players would graduate after the game. Thousands of fans filled the stadium. The match was exciting from the very first whistle. David defended bravely, while Destiny, the team's captain, led the attack with skill and determination. The score remained 1-1 until the final minute. The crowd held its breath as Destiny received a perfect pass near the goal. Instead of trying to score alone, he noticed David running into a better position. Without hesitation, Destiny passed the ball to David. David struck the ball with all his strength, and it flew into the top corner of the net. Goal. The referee blew the final whistle. Their school won 2-1, and the stadium erupted with cheers. Their teammates lifted Destiny and David onto their shoulders as they celebrated their unforgettable victory. During the award ceremony, Destiny said, "A true champion thinks about the team before himself." David smiled and replied, "Victory belongs to everyone who works together." The two friends proudly lifted the championship trophy, knowing that friendship, teamwork, and selflessness had made them champions. Moral: teamwork, trust, and unselfishness lead to the greatest victories.